Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. If you're having trouble opening the toner door on your Canon printer, then this video is for you. We'll show you how to open the toner door on your Canon printer manually, and solve any problems you may be having. Watch and learn how to open the toner door on your Canon printer in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.